Hi there, World Area Studies, Eastern Hemisphere. That means you're a 7th grader. Welcome to second semester. This is Mr. Kerr, and some of you are coming back for second semester. Some of you are just starting out with us. Either way, thank you for being here and going through the week 1 welcome video. And this will mostly be for those of you who are new, but there's going to be stuff. You know, we're still going to go through the whole week 1 stuff for the folks who've been with us before. So everyone, bear with me here, and but welcome back and welcome to our newcomers. First thing, just to let you know, when you open up the class, you'll automatically be here on the updates page, and so all of our weekly updates and the welcome video and everything will be here on updates. Generally, what I'm going to have you do is go straight to the materials page where you can really access all the material and content and everything. So when you do that, here at the top will be the same update. It will be the weekly update. So every week there will be a new video to watch. Please, that should be the first thing you do every Monday morning when the new class opens up. And then there will be a suggested schedule right here next to it, and my suggestion is to please stick with that suggested schedule as closely as possible. Really important for everyone. Want to make sure that you know the Start Here folder. Yes, it's for new students, but it's really for all students. It has contact information, course and instructor info. This is, of course, where you found the syllabus to do the survey and syllabus quiz, instructor contact info for me. Hopefully by now everyone has done these first 4 assignments. If you have not done one of these, please come to this folder and complete that. You can always go back and find the original intro video here, and then this folder full of tips, tricks, and student resources. And really 99% of any questions you might have as we go through this class, example lessons and things like that will all be found here. So this is really important. Whenever you have a question, start here in the Start Here folder. Now, as we mentioned, this unit, we're still going to be looking at the Eastern Hemisphere. Unit 3 is going to be economic networks in the Eastern Hemisphere, and Unit 4 will be global interactions. Remember, in our semester 1, Unit 1 was Foundations of Early Civilizations. We looked at early civilizations throughout the Eastern Hemisphere, China, India, all over Egypt, all over the Eastern Hemisphere. And then Unit 2 was types of governments, and we looked at the different types of governments and everything in throughout the Eastern Hemisphere. So this is where we will be going this unit. Let's see, mention the units, weekly updates every week. Please make sure you watch these videos every week. Follow the suggested schedule as much as possible and ask questions. All right, I think I went through my checklist, so let's take a look at what week 1, Introduction to Economic Networks, is going to be about. So this is... often you are going to have a weekly quiz, and what I would like you to do most weeks is to take that quiz as a pretest. And we do have that quiz. I do want you to take it as a pretest, but for this week only, as we begin this Unit 3, I want you to do this diagnostic first. So click on that and do this economic network diagnostic. Now, this is a pre-assessment. I don't expect you to have all the perfect answers and everything. Just follow the directions right to the prompt as it asks you to do. Just do your best job. You're going to get graded on completing it, not on any particular information or anything. Then you'll do this quiz. Now, as you get to this economic vocab quiz, again, take this as a pretest on Monday. You'll be able to take it again on Friday and get 100%. And you're going to get 100% because you're going to see all the questions on Monday. You're going to take notes. Whether you get a question right or wrong doesn't matter on Monday, because on Friday you're going to know what it is. You're going to have gone through all the content, done all the information, and you're going to get 100%. So that's the way our quizzes are set up. So just take it once on Monday just as a pre-assessment. We're going to be doing some Frayer models. You're going to pick 2 of the definitions or terms, do 2 different Frayer models, directions and everything for that here. And then we do have a discussion board on chocolate. So yay to that. And go through the discussion board. There's a reading and a video for the price of chocolate discussion board. Discussion boards, remember to be specific, use details. We're not looking for you just to say, I agree, I disagree, and that's it. You don't get credit for that. You have to explain both your post, where you're going to give your opinions, and then your replies. And you always need to reply to at least 2 of your classmates for full credit. And then that will go to Unit 4. So there we go. Due dates, generally what you're going to find is that most of the due dates will be for set on Friday, and then on Friday I'm going to switch them to Sunday. I really encourage everyone to work Monday through Friday. That's why you'll see the due dates set for Friday. You will have the weekend to get the material done if you need that as well. Just want to mention about asking for help. So, of course, if you have any questions, you should start here in the Start Here folder and see if you can figure it out on your own. If you have a question, you need to be specific in asking me. So here's what happens a lot. I get a text or an email from a student saying, Mr. Kerr, I don't understand assignment Y. And that's all I get. I have no idea how to help you. So what I'm going to ask is, if you're going to ask me for help on an assignment or something you don't understand, first of all, explain what you do understand. Even if it's just the title. I understand reading the title. After that, I don't. But explain to me what you do understand about the assignment. You know, I understand it's supposed to be an essay, but I understand what it's supposed to be about. Or I understand it's a quiz, but I don't understand how to answer this question. Things like that. You need to be specific. So first of all, tell me what you do understand. Then second of all, tell me what you need help with and you don't understand. All right, going through my checklist. Looks like that's about it. So let me know if you have any questions. Welcome back, or welcome, as the case may be. And for those of you who come to campus, Wednesday is our first on campus. I think that's Wednesday the 16th. I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.